All right, guys, I'm sharing with you today the 3 things that I did to adapt when COVID hit. So as a business with employees and a lot of people that depend on me, I had to make some changes really quick. Number 1 was I went from physical meetings to 99% virtual. That actually promoted the second thing that I had to do, which was Zoom. I subscribed for Zoom, where it allowed me to do meetings without any time limit. If you have the free version, it gives you a 45-minute cap on your meetings. When I subscribed and I pay $15 a month, it allowed me to do unlimited time, throw as many meetings as I wanted to, and it was really, really helpful. The third thing I did was I created a lot more content, because since I was working remote, I was able to do a lot more filming. I'm able to do a lot more on this channel. I created that second channel that I have, Pomes, where I do podcasts, and it just allowed me to be able to do a lot more, because I used to spend a lot of time on the road or in meetings, and now that everything's remote, I'm able to do a lot more content and get it out to you guys. So leave a comment. Actually, I want to know how you adapted, whether it was in your own business, whether it was with your family, whether it was for yourself as an employee within a company. Like, how did you adapt when COVID hit? Maybe you can share a few. And I appreciate you guys tuning in. Hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. You know, this video wouldn't be complete without me actually also sharing that when we went 100% virtual, I wanted to make sure that the team members, my employees, felt that they had a solid role and position, and their role was not threatened. A lot of people were losing jobs, less hours, benefits being cut. So I sat with them and I told them, we have reserves, you're going to be taken care of. As a matter of fact, we were able to increase the hours for our team members, and that was a big thing. So sitting with them was a big deal, because it allowed the morale in our office, in our team, to maintain really good. When you cut somebody's hours, when you cut benefits, when they feel like their job is threatened, the morale, unfortunately, the culture starts to drop. I hope this has been helpful. Take care, and I'll see you guys soon.